Good morning, Kitty. Whoa, that colorful butterfly. It's glowing. Let's go, Mr. Thar. Follow that butterfly.
The colorful butterfly. Buckle up.
We walk from here. This place is beautiful, but it's being ruined. Look, Kitty, the forest is alive again.
Sensors detect a 43% increase in natural joy.
Thank you, young Maggie.
One small act can grow into something big. Protect what's precious. Even a small hand can help the earth heal.